Mitosis versus Meiosis by Emily, Carolina, and Annabelle.
Here we'll be talking about mitosis. This is a process where a diploid cell divides once into two identical cells. It is mainly used for growth, regeneration, and asexual reproduction. It has 5 phases. The first phase is interphase, the longest part of the cell cycle. It includes 3 stages. The first stage is G1. This is where the first growth occurs. The second stage is S phase, where DNA replication occurs. The third stage is G2, where second growth and preparation for mitosis occurs. The cell can also go into G0, a resting phase, where the cell is not dividing. This can be a permanent or temporary state depending on the cell. The second phase is prophase, where chromosomes condense, mitotic spindle forms, and nucleus disappears. The third phase is metaphase, where chromosomes align and attach to microtubules from opposite spindle poles. Then comes the spindle checkpoint, where cells make sure that chromatids are split evenly and aligned properly. If not, the cell stops until the problem is fixed. The fourth phase is anaphase, where sister chromatids separate to opposite sides of the cell and the cell elongates. The fifth and final phase includes telophase and cytokinesis. In telophase, meiotic spindles break down, the nucleus is formed, and chromosomes decondense. During cytokinesis is where the division happens. The cell pinches into 2 cells, each with a full set of chromosomes and a nucleus. Meiosis ends with 2 diploid daughter cells that are identical to the mother cell. 46 chromosomes, 32 pairs.
Meiosis is the other form of cell division that produces gametes, known as sperm or egg cells. These gametes have the haploid or half the chromosome number from each parent. Meiosis is a reduction division going from 46 chromosomes to 23, meaning during meiosis the nucleus divides twice. The 2 cell divisions in meiosis are called meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, the first step is prophase 1, where chromosomes are condensed and line up with homologous pairs. Crossing over occurs and the exchange of information. Next is metaphase 1, where chromosomes will meet in the middle of the cell and spindle fibers from the poles attach to the centromeres. Then anaphase 1. This is a separation of homologous chromosomes by the spindle fibers. Next is telophase 1, and this is where there are 2 newly formed nuclei and cytokinesis separates the cytoplasm. Next is meiosis 2, which goes through the same process as mitosis.
Now that you've learned about mitosis and meiosis, let's focus on their differences and similarities. During mitosis, only 2 cells are produced. These are genetically identical to the mother and diploid, meaning they contain 2 complete sets of chromosomes. Mitosis also consists of only 1 division. It mainly focuses on the repair of somatic cells. Meiosis, on the other hand, produces a total of 4 daughter cells, which are genetically different from the mother cell. These are haploid and consist of 2 rounds of division. Their main purpose is to allow reproduction to occur. Finally, while they are extremely different, they also share a few similarities. For example, their ability to create new cells and replicate DNA.